How to set up Calendly full tutorial, set up and schedule appointments. So first, you just have to go to any web browser and then type Calendly, and this is what it looks like. And by the way, Calendly is a scheduling tool that helps individuals and businesses manage appointments by automating the process of booking meetings. So this is what it looks like. Now you can sign up using your Google account, Microsoft, or enter your email address. But the easiest for me is Google account. So how do you plan using Calendly? So choose between the two, for example, for work, and then tap continue. Now wait for a couple of seconds and you will be asked again what kind of work you do. Example here is for finance, sales, customer success, recruiting, marketing, education, consulting, and other. So everything is up to you. Let's just say education for the sake of this tutorial and then tap continue. So this is the interface of Calendly now. It's quite different than before, maybe because they have upgraded a lot of features here. So in the left panel, you can see here the following such as event types, meetings, availability, contacts, okay, workflows, integrations, routing. You can see here upgrade and plan, analytics, admin center, and help if in case you encounter some problems. And of course, in order for you to proceed, you need to build a good profile here. So tap your profile at the top beside invite user. You can see here the following profile, branding, link, and so on. So if you want to do some changes with your profile, you just have to go to profile and add some information here, such as name. And of course, you need to upload your photo with this type. So suppose that this is my face and then apply. So this is my photo. Now you can change your name. You can add a welcome message. You can also change your language, date format, time. I want to change it to 12 country. You can change that. And after that, you can now tap save changes. You can also delete your account if you want. Now changes has been made. Now, if you want to see all settings and try to adjust or look for some options like integrations, workflows, routing, upgrade plan, event types, and so on, just go to all settings. And this is what it looks like. Okay. So basically, if you want to sync your calendar in case that you haven't synced your calendar here, so all you have to do is to click this calendar sync and you will see this if you want to sync your Google Calendar. Just tap connect. Anyways, this type of synchronization ensures that Calendly automatically block times when you already have events scheduled and adds new events directly to your calendar when someone books a meeting with you. That's a good thing about using this Calendly. Okay, so basically, this is what it looks like if you have created a meeting or event. Okay, now let's focus on the options here in the left panel. You can see here meetings. So Calendly offers various meeting options that allow users to customize how meetings are scheduled. You will see here all the meetings that you have created. For availability, here in availability settings, you can custom availability per event. Okay, so you can set custom availability for each meeting type. For example, you may offer one-on-one meetings only on Mondays and Wednesdays and group events on Fridays. So you have to set this here in availability. Also, you can temporarily adjust availability for specific dates or date range, for example, holidays or vacation time. Okay, let's move on to contacts. Well, to manage your contacts in Calendly, the platform offers various options to collect, manage, and sync contact information. To add contacts, you just have to simply add their name, their email address, and then time zone. And then that's it. So you can add more here. After that, after you have added their information here, then what you're going to do is you have to click Save Contact. Now let's talk about the workflow in Calendly. So workflows in Calendly allow users to automate communications and actions before and after meetings, making it easier to manage the entire scheduling process. So you can just simply see it right here at the available workflow and you just have to select if you want, just tap this blue button right here to continue. Talking about integration and application in Calendly. Okay, so Calendly offers a variety of integration that enhances functionality and streamlines scheduling process. These integrations include calendar integrations such as Google Calendar, Outlook Calendar, Office 365 Calendar, CRM integrations, email marketing, video conferencing integrations, and payment processing integrations. So it's up to you which one you prefer. Now let's go to upgrade plan. So, upgrading your Calendly plan allows you to access additional features and functionalities, of course, that can enhance your scheduling experiences. So, Calendly offers different subscription tiers, each designed to meet various needs. Of course, the more you upgrade your plan, the better. For analytics, well, Calendly offers various analytics features that help users track their scheduling performance, monitor engagement, and gain insights into their meeting patterns. Now, if you want to look for the admin center, you have to click dashboard. Into the dashboard, you can see your overview section, event types, calendar sync, availability settings, invitee management, workflows, integrations, help and support, and so on. So you just have to see and click dashboard if you want to look for these options right here. For example, for groups, you can see here in the dashboard area. Also, if you want to look for the billing, the permission, security, these features and options can be found here in dashboard. Okay, so if you want to create a new group, you just have to click this new group right here, create, add the name, and then create a new group. And the group will be saved right here. You can add context and more information about this group inside this page right here. Now that we know a bit information about how to set up Calendly, now let's go on to the main focus on this tutorial, and that is to set up and schedule appointments. So basically, you just have to go to event or event types, and you will see here create. In order for you to create or schedule a meeting, so all you have to do is to tap create. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like if you have already created a meeting, or if you have arranged already or book a meeting or seminar. This is what it looks like. And all you have to do is to copy this or share this to your friends, to your family, or to your coworkers. You can see here the information about your meeting. So let's create something like this. What you're going to do here is, of course, you have to click create, or you have to look for create. Let me delete this one first. Okay, so click this new event type, and then here you can select one-on-one, group, collective, and so on. So let's try this one-on-one here. And then after that, you have to select or look for a host here. You can tap this arrow facing down if there are tons of members here. But since I'm the one, so I have to choose myself as the host. So here you can change or add the event name, and then after you have added an event name, you could also change the color. You just have to click this color right here. If you have tons of seminars and event and you want to identify them through colors or by color, you can just simply tap this color right here and change that. Now here, saturation and location. So you can tap Zoom if you want to use Zoom. If you want to use Google Meet, then you can just simply go here and then select that, or let's just say other applications you want, and then tap continue. And basically that's it. You just have to simply create and then add more details here, set the time, as easy as that. And once you have created this, then you will have your link. You will have your ways on how to share this to your friends, to your coworkers, and all you have to do is to copy that link and share, or you just have to simply share this or send this to their email. So there are a lot of things on how to share this. But once you're finished, then you will be notified that you have created this event with the time and details, and you can possibly or you can probably send it to your friends or to anyone or your co-workers, as easy as that. So as a conclusion, Calendly is a powerful tool that enhances the scheduling process by simplifying appointment booking and reducing administrative burdens. It is suitable for individuals and team of all sizes, helping users save time and improve productivity while ensuring a seamless experience for invitees. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.